Self-miracle describes your need to reprogram your life to what you desperately want to accomplish. The simple truth is only you have got the power to alter your life in line with the life you would like. To carry out, you need to live your dreams if you wish to improve your life forever. Listed below are the 7 secrets to rejuvenate your daily existence as well as renew your hopes. By simply practicing these steps, your life will change as you make room for additional miracles. Most of these miracles can be a big, or simply a small change. Be aware when they happen. You will benefit from greater clarity and also a much more remarkable life. Who knows, you might be living your dreams and enjoying the comfort of life within your reach. 1. You will need to meditate daily. When I say meditate, you don't have to perform yoga exercises. You just have to honor your spirit by witnessing the tranquility, having a view of truthfulness and gratitude. Along with practicing, the noise will silence itself. Reduce the chatter and pay attention to your higher guidance and wisdom. The answers you seek are within, any time you permit yourself to be a channel for clarity. 2. You must decide on a healthy, holistic lifestyle. When you are rushing things from moment to moment, we all miss the opportunity in life. Life is tricky, as we always say. Abundant wellness may slide away slowly. For this reason, there exists a need to consume whole foods, take a frequent walk, exercise, or even do yoga exercises. Time is really a gift. You cannot make time, but you should use it to take action. In action, synchronicity will start to evolve. You will find the desire to continue to keep taking good care of your body naturally. 3. You will want to communicate with your entire body. You need to focus on your discomfort and love it. Discomfort is the body's method of connecting. Your knowing of the body-mind-spirit relationship will skyrocket your restoration. Should you become ill or maybe possess a throbbing headache, it is really your body's way of stating you are neglecting your very existence. Rather than fighting the suffering, love it on all levels. Your body is really a timeline of your respective existence and also a rendering of your life. Deal with your whole body properly. 4. You are able to look back, but you should not focus on your previous hurts. Absolutely everyone suffers wounds belonging to the past. By possessing negative feelings belonging to the past, you produce circumstances that dredge up old, unresolved inquiries again and again. Release any kind of judgment and accept yourself completely. 5. You will want to release anxiety. Most tension is definitely self-imposed. In places you uncover stress, you will also discover sensations of victimhood as well as anger. Actually, nobody has authority over you until you let them. You have the choice to use your free will to eliminate yourself from the problem. Inhale and exhale deeply and release the worries. I do know it can be done. 6. Cleanse your own home, it's extremely important. It really is a great time to start anew. Get rid of all mess from your home, your car and your surroundings. It can be redeeming to clear out and distress yourself. The following produces stability, harmony plus a fantastic awareness of well-being as well as clarity. Release what absolutely no longer serves you, inside and out. 7. Purchase a journal to write down your thoughts, dreams, goals and motives. Make certain these are in alignment along with your central values. Posting everything down is usually a large step to achieving what you would like. Post in the present tense and in fine detail. Start visualizing your final results. Practice the future and become the strong leader you've always recognized you can be. The road of change and unique growth can be one of 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Whenever you see yourself inching backwards, don't surrender. Just understand there's additional development as well as changes coming. While you transfer from where you've been to where you are, you will see more significant understanding in the way you think and address challenges. This particular understanding will help you effortlessly sense more peace, joy and abundance. What exactly presently waiting for content? Make positive changes to your life right away and be ready to live your dream life.